Alright guys, I finally got the purge valve in, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Actually, put this back in. Okay, so plug the MAF, plug the clips, you got the air filter box, should be careful. Then I have a screwdriver. What I want to do here is loosen up the boot. Okay, just loosen it up just a little bit more. Alright, in reality I probably could get to the purge valve from here, but this hose is kind of hard to get to with the throttle body in the way. So basically all this is to get rid of the throttle body.
Hi.
So we're going to gently remove the boot. There we go. We're going to unplug this hose right here. Should be easier if I took off this engine cover. There we go. It's a 3.7 liter V6, as you can see. There we go. Remove this hose on the other side. Okay. Let me finish removing the rest of the boot. Boom, now I have access to the throttle body and the rest of the system here. Let's see, actually see if I can get to this purge valve right here. Might not have to remove the throttle body. Okay, there you go, I actually got to it. Alright, so I won't have to remove the throttle body. So now all I gotta do is ratchet out this purge valve right here and then replace it with the new one. Alright. That's ready to go.
Oh.
First thing we gotta do is find the correct size for these. And that's it. Okay, here we go. Yeah.
I want a car.
Come here.
What?
Come here. Come here.
I love you.
I love you too. Okay. Watch out for cars, Shayla. The reason why we're replacing this throttle or this purge valve here, because as you read in the rest of the thread, the O2 sensors, the Upstream O2s, are showing stuck rich. And when I did a test, I found out that this purge valve is stuck open. There's actually vacuum coming from that line right there. This, I'm gonna put these right here. There, this should lift off. Oh, this should just pop out. There we go. Old throttle body. And it's dirty too, look at it. It's dirty, dirty. Alright. And it's stuck open. Okay. Got me another Motorcraft one. Open it up here. Looks good. And this one definitely is not stuck open. Very nice. All right. Let's go ahead and pop this one in. Make sure it's seated correctly. Okay. Tighten it. Make sure it's in here right. Even it is. Then it's in the gap. Okay, we got one side in.
Excuse me.
Excused. The other side in. I got a little bit of fiberglass on me.
No, let me see. Let me see.
You can't really see fiberglass.
Let me see. Right. Which nail did you get?
The hand that I showed you.
This hand?
This hand.
Or
Alright,
your nail faker?
here we go.
Hot.
We don't have to.
Whoa, what's that?
I'll explain it to you here in a minute.
It's hot in there. Imagine someone living there having a hard time getting to it, pressing your. Hey, recording.
Yes. Shh. Come on. Actually, ratchet.
Jacob.
Shh.
Actually, I might forget your question.
Get down from there, sissy.
What?
I said, get down from there.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Alright. So what we're going to do,
Santa
we are going to plug it back into the ECM. See if it opens. Because I already tested this. This is closed.
That broke.
Okay. Boom. Alright. What we actually got to do before we do that, we got to put all this back on here. Almost ran an open throttle body. Okay. We're going to lay this right here for now. We're going to plug back in our hoses.
I'll put it back.
Okay, plug back in. Make sure I get this boot on right. It's on nice and good. boots back on tight, we can seat the air filter back in. Put that back in. Go. And I'll put the engine cover back on as soon as I test to make sure that this line works. The actual hose is unplugged, so just want to see if it still idles open. No vacuum leaks. We are good to go. So we can go ahead, plug this back in. And then we're done. Let's go inside the car and check our codes.